Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to insert an image to your presentation on the Keynote application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Keynote application which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Keynote application. Search for this, open up the Keynote application. And now wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, go to the top toolbar, go to File, go to Open. Now let's go to the desktop where we see presentation.key. Click on Open. This should open up the Keynote application presentation on screen. So now the purpose of this tutorial is to insert an image. Let's now minimize the Keynote application for the moment. Go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, go to Pictures, and we should have some photos available for us to transfer. So I'll take image underscore 1089, copy this image. Let's now paste that to the desktop, as this is the image we will be inserting into the Keynote application presentation that we have. Let's now decrease the size of the presentation. Let's now add a new slide. Remove everything. And now to insert that image, what we can do is either go to Media, Photos, insert an image from the Photos application. Let's double click on this and that should be inserted. Or if I were to, let's just say, decrease the size of this image itself, move that to the top right corner, and then take that image that we copied from the Pictures folder, move that to our Keynote presentation, and there we go. That has now been added to the presentation. So Command S, we can now quit Keynote. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.